Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add payment methods on Shopify. Okay, first things first, open up your Shopify by typing it in the search bar in your browser. And then, log in into your Shopify account. However, if you don't have any, just kindly sign up and create one for a while. Okay, once you have yourself plugged in, you will now find yourself in the main page of the Shopify browser. It is where you can work with your business. So, for you to proceed, look for the menu on the right side of your Shopify screen. And take note that this menu contains various options for your online business. It has everything that you will need in your online business. So, in here, you will want to access your own store. And for you to do that, what you are going to do is press Online Store. And once you have done that, what you are going to do is kindly locate the settings for you to access it. Take note that you may find the settings located in the bottom left of your screen. And then, once you have pressed Settings, it will bring you to the settings page with all of the selections to pick. But what you want to do is to locate and keep track of all your payments. So, your next step will be view all of the options regarding your payment methods by selecting the payments. However, what you have to do here at this specific moment is to scroll down and look for Add Payment Methods. On the Payments page, you will see a couple list of available payment methods. So, for you to add the payment methods you have chosen or selected, what you are going to do is very simple. Just simply press the methods that you have chosen. However, in my country, PayPal is the only payment method that is available at the moment. So for example, if you want to add PayPal, click on the PayPal option. But if you have managed to access other payment methods, what it will do is to provide the required account information for the chosen payment method when prompted. So you have to provide your information. Then, after you activate it, the payment methods that you have chosen previously can now be found on your payments page. Then, the different transaction pages associated with the payment method or methods you added will now be available for your customers to use during the checkout process. And that's it. You can now add payments on. And that's it. You can now add payment methods on Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.